Trouble means negative feelings when bad things happen. For example, like you have exam and you could not reach the examination room due to any reason. For example, you was in a jam or you faced a problem like this car uh you was using for going. So this car for any reason it was bad and you could not reach the examination hall in a right time. So the times we will consider is as a trouble because trouble it happens it doesn't have any proper solution. Like if you try to restore, it's not restorable. Okay, it's come from negative feelings. For example, it can be another example with like your friend father has died recently and we will consider it as a trouble because here's we can restore